we're going to do 4 things. We're going to do our warm-up by counting on our fingers. We're going to get out our number charts and count pointing at our numbers. Then I brought a bunch of stuffed animals that we'll get to count. And the last thing is whatever our number of the day is, that's how many times we'll move our body. Let's go back to the beginning and do our warm-up. Hold up your 2 fists and we'll start with our thumb. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 10. Our warm-up is all done. Now it's time to get out your number charts. If you need to get yours, you can pause the video and get your number chart out of your learning folder. Once you have it, you'll put your pointer finger below the 1. Here we go. You're looking at your numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you say 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What's the last number you pointed at? 20. Awesome. Now you did your number chart counting. Number chart counting is all done. Now we get to count the stuffed animals in the box. Your job is to count with your mouth and watch with your eyes. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, be quiet, you silly elephant. 4, 5, 6, hop, hop, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 14 stuffed animals. I'm going to put them all back in the box and we'll write the number 14. Maybe if you still have your number chart, you can find 14 on your chart. Let's see. 14. Well, if it's a teen number, it has to start with a 1. Well, these numbers all start with 1s. 14. 14. I hear a 4. So is that a 1 and a 4? No. Find the 1 and a 4. There it is. 14. I'm going to write it. A 1 and a 4 makes 14. 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 14 is our number. On your chart, your 4 looks like this. That's a different way to make a 4. There's more than one way. Okay, friends, counting our stuffed animals is all done. The last thing we do is move our body. And how many movements will we do? 14. Okay, our movement today is to cross our arms. And we know it's important to cross our arms because it makes our brains cross wires and it makes us even smarter. So put your arms like me and cross your arms and count with your mouth. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many movements? 14. You did it, friends. Thanks for joining with me to count. Maybe you have some stuffed animals at home you could count.